I would say, Richard, at this stage, it is really hard, challenging. But I wish to emphasize on the opportunities. So my message is quite clear. We are on the verge of a global crisis, but opportunities are plentiful. So we need to look into the positive side and trying to build on the opportunities of today and tomorrow. So this applies to the governments, to the investment promotion agencies, and to the investors, particularly in the real estate sector. What do I mean by that? We'll see there are opportunities. First, this industrial policy everywhere, almost 130 countries have formal industrial policies trying to build their industries made in the country, so to speak. And the smart manufacturing is coming in. Scale is replaced by scope, customization. All these provide opportunities worldwide, particularly, for example, for the industrial real estate in the form of special economic zones. As we know, there are over 10,000 special economic zones spreading over 150 countries, and another 700 to 800 zones are being built. What does it mean? There's opportunities for investment, including FDI, in real estate, industrial real estate, for upgrading of the existing zones and for building new zones. So these are the opportunities, not only to build the basic infrastructure, the real industrial estate like factories, workshops, but also for the supplier networks. We call the producers services, that network to support the manufacturing, the smart manufacturing, and also digitalization of the infrastructure. All these create opportunities and this demand for FDI, particularly for those countries that needs not only capital, but a bundle of assets that FDI can bring in, technology, market, know-hows, talents. All these are the potential benefits of FDI for the real estate sector, even also for commercial real estates like hotels, tourism industries. All these are business facilities. All these will need FDI, create potentials, even at the time of the crisis. Secondly, even geopolitics dynamics is very challenging, but it drives the restructuring of global supply chains. Real estate is not moving, it's immobilier, but FDI is moving, it's mobile. So there are opportunities for the mobile FDI, looking for new locations, particularly for trade barrier hopping FDI. We have seen that for the trade war 1.0, that investment moving out of China, not only the Chinese investing outside, but also multinationals in China when they focused on export-oriented, efficient-seeking FDI moving out to ASEAN countries, particularly in Vietnam, Singapore, or to Mexico. Now they are moving. The trade war 2.0 may make them move further from ASEAN, from Mexico to other countries. So industrial restructuring, global production system is reshaping, and that creates opportunities for some countries which are prepared, for the governments that have set in place the investment policy framework, enabling framework, and for investment promotion agencies ready to facilitate and promote, and for industrial estates like special economic zones ready to incubate of FDI. So these are the opportunities driven by industrial policies, driven by geopolitical dynamics, and sustainability imperatives will create opportunities for investment, like in the recycling, in the kind of economies. There's a lot of opportunities, and also for upgrading of the existing facilities, driven by the standards of sustainability standards. For example, now we see Europe is still pushing forward of the CSRD standards. That will require the upgrading of the real estates in terms of sustainability. That creates the opportunities for investment. So I would say, yes, we witness all these difficulties. Yes, there's intensification of VUCA, volatility of the market, uncertainty of the economy, the complexity of the policies, geopolitics, and ambiguity of the policy measures these days. But having said that, and we see other risks, of course, but having said that, we cannot just sit on our hands. There are potentials. So get prepared for today's opportunities and get prepared for tomorrow's opportunities when the market and the global economy is turning around.